So now we're going to carry on the inequalities by looking at doing a graphical solution. So we're going to graphically show a region for a set of inequalities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these lines. In fact, I'm going to start with this bottom one first of all, this line here. So I'm going to draw the line 2y minus x equal to 3. So if you like, I might want to just rearrange this. So I'm going to say that this is y is equal to, and divide this as a half x plus 3 divided by 2. So if I was to make x equal to 1, then y will be 2, and if x is 0, y will be 3 over 2. So this is just a rough drawing, but of course you could do this a bit more accurate. Let's choose one more point. If x is minus 1, then y will be 1. So we've got this as a straight line. So let me just draw it through. Maybe I need a couple more points just for this particular program. Now this is just a rough sketch on here, so it's not exactly right. Now I've drawn a solid line because of this, because it's equal to, but I don't know which part to shade. Now I'm going to just pick a number above or below the line and see if it works or it doesn't work. So I'm just going to pick the number 4, 1. This is just a totally random choice. So let's go to the inequality. Y is 1, so we have 2. Let's just zoom in. So y is 1 and x is 4. We're just going to see if this actually works. Minus 2 is less than 3. It works. So this is, and all these points underneath the line I actually want. So I'm going to shade out underneath this line. And that's the hardest inequality one we're going to have to do. Let's do this next one in green, and I'm going to draw y equal to -2, which will be here. Just draw it. Now I'm drawing this as a dotted line because of the equal sign. It's not equal to, it's just greater than. Now I'm not going to worry too much about this. I want y to be bigger than -2, which means I want to shade everything above that line. And you can now see that I've double shaded some parts. So the final one in red is x equal to 5. X equals to 5 is here, and again I'm doing it dotted because I want x to be less than, so I want everything to the left of the graph. I want to shade, so I'm shading all of this. And although it looks quite complicated, I'm hoping you can see the bits I want, let's do it in this horrible yellow colour, is in this triangle here. But this bottom part is dotted, and this part here is dotted. So this is the part that I want. And I'll just go over that again. It looks a bit messy, but that's basically how we can graph these inequalities.